So next question. Why do I need a composition root in my iOS app? So centralizing the instantiation and composition of objects in a single place drastically reduces the complexity of managing and developing modules independently.
Right. Well, you need to instantiate somewhere all your classes. And the composition root says it is better to do it in a centralized place. They're going to become more testable. They're going to become more extendable because they can defer the instantiation until later. They don't have to decide right then which modules, which components they should instantiate.
So your modules will depend on better abstractions. They hide implementation details, which means you can also extend your functionalities without changing code all the time. You can add behavior or remove behavior just by composing your system differently. So your system is open, closed, open for extension and closed for modification, which is a good trait of a modular and clean system.
That's exactly right.
So by using a composition root, you can create clean components that communicate through clean and simple abstractions, and you can inject dependencies and replace dependencies or remove dependencies easily from a single centralized place, which also reduces the number of dependencies between modules. So it supports a modular design that can be tested in isolation, developed in isolation, maintained in isolation, reused, replaced, and etc. And that's why you would want a composition root in your iOS application.